my least favorite customers. Morning, Flo.
Wait, what the Flo, why do you have a Pizza Hut cup with Pepsi?
Oh, try me greedy. I can taste it.
Ah, that's good. What the?
Come on. This man got hiccups.
Oh, crap. I want you to stop. I can't. Pronto. Participato.
Get that crap out. Stop picking up, soldier. That's an order.
I can't.
Do it now, or I'll stab you in the neck. What kind of hiccup is that?
I don't know.
Here, try to use my gallon of fuel, man.
Oh, great. What's in it?
I'm fire and pain. Whoa.
Hey, stop it. I do what I can do.
Do better.
Okay.
Hey, stop hiccuping, you hiccuper.
I did what I can do.
Idiot.
Try to go upside down. Good. I did.
Gross.
Are you doing better?
Crap.
Okay.
How about this one?
Okay.
Oh man, it didn't work.
Anyways, hold on a second. What the? Lenny, why are you making these noises? I'm hiccuping! Oh crap, you're hiccuping. Alright, I won't. If I get Moon, if I get Junior, he'll probably do the dumbest things. So it looks like it's time for Dr. River. I used to be a doctor before I was a race car. Yeah, you were. Don't give me sass, boy. Okay. Doc. What? Yeah, what's the props? This red boy has some hiccups. Why is people keep calling me red boy? Because you're red. Facts. Okay, probably get bug kill. I don't know, let me think, oh yeah, get one of your hiccup problems. Okay. Alright, take two. Wait, what is this? Algae pills? No, this is the hiccup pill. I'm not hiccuping. Well, give me take two. Another few hours, you're probably gonna pass out. Who knows? Who cares? Like this. See? Simple solution. Well, these are knocked out cold. Get them out of here. Alright, just take one. Oh, come on! Okay, what's going on? Why is Doc in the floor? Lightning has hiccups and we try to get him to stop. Well, what about try drink of water? Oh no, I see what you've done. I'm not doing that. Last time I had that hiccup, you convinced Mayor to tow me, and I had to go on top, and you spin me. I still get dizzy from that. Come on, it's not a big deal. Alright, Red, just spray him. No, Red, don't listen to this psychopath. Red, do this. What was that for? I don't know. Guys, not do that again. Yes. It's good. No, man, the thought works. I don't know. Brother! Don't scare me! Luigi. Oh, color mines! Yeah, you look a little bit damaged, but it won't hurt a bit. It won't hurt a fly. Okay, what are we going to do? Alright, buddy, are you getting rid of the hiccups? No, I'm not. Put me down. No. Will you put me down? Oh my goodness. Method, you could put them down. Maybe you got rid of his hiccups. Really? Speak, McQueen. I didn't get the. He still has hiccups. I gotta just keep putting him down till you get rid of hiccups. That's not the simple solution, man. Mayor, just put him down now or I'll sue you. What the fuck? How are you gonna sue him when he drops me down? Because we're buddies. We hang out. You don't hang out that much. Shut up, Ramon! Hey, sorry. Yeah, shut up, Ramon. Well, excuse me, get full-time videos. Well, I got nothing to say. Mater, put me down now. I can't, I gotta get rid of the hiccups. It's not gonna work if you're gonna kill me. Or like a few to the ground. You're gonna kill me. No, I won't. Yes, you will. It's one of my favorite parts. Please don't die, boss. You'll pay. I was supposed to get paid till next Thursday. You'll get paid in tomorrow, man. We discussed the payday routine. Oh, don't die. You get. Oh, you're supposed to pay me till like tomorrow, I guess. You know you're not much of a friend of him. Shut up. When I get bullied a lot, man. No one cares about your stuff, baby. Cowabunga, dudes. Don't you dare say that in front of my face. Mayor, just let Mr. McQueen down. I can't, I gotta get his hiccups away. Mayor, I will get my hiccups out if you drop me down and kill me. Yeah, and you'll probably go to jail for that. You'll probably go to jail and you'll probably go attempted murder. Yeah. So I'm a cop, so I don't care about the rules anymore. Mayor, put me down. I'll go to your sister's wedding. We just went there. Have you not seen our episodes? Darn it. Just please put me down. Just put me down. You want me to unhook you? No, don't unhook me yet. You want me to unhook you? No, okay, I will. No, ow! Ow! Sorry. Mr. McQueen, are you alright? Yeah, Cruz. Oh, God. Oh, come on! Let me put you back in your place. Alright, and it's not working. I'm not gonna be stuck like this. Hold on. Yeah, you deserve up there. Wait a second. You're not hiccuping anymore. Wait, I'm not. Guess that sort of paid off, I guess.
Well, at least nothing got murdered.
Oh crap.
Oh, you want me to do that again like I did Lightning? Come on, let's go.
Man, stay away!
No, wait. Come on, it'll be fun. I promise you won't die.